Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the keyboard language on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. In order to change the language on your keyboard, first we need to go to settings. So let's find settings and let's open them. Then we need to scroll down until we find the option called system. So let's go to the system, then over here choose keyboard, and then go to on-screen keyboard. Over here you will find all keyboards that you have installed on your device. By default you should have a Gboard, and I'm gonna customize this one to show you how to change the language. So we're gonna tap on Gboard, and over here we have languages. We can tap on languages, and then we have a button to add keyboard. So let's do that, and then we can choose the new language that we want to have on our keyboard. So I'm gonna choose this one as an example. We have some customization options. So if you want to, you can also add handwriting, QWERTY, and so on and so forth. So we can press done once we are done with the adjustments. And now we have two languages. We can also tap on this pen over here in the top right corner, and then we can delete the unwanted language. So if you want to use only one, for instance, you want to remove the English language, then you can tap on the English and then press the pen icon in the top right corner once again. And now we have only one language on our keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.